Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are still on the learning, and in this video we are going to look into the cross-site request forgery, which is a prominent and a very common application vulnerability, and we are using the Podswigger Academy as usual. Great resource. If you haven't logged in yet, please create an account and you'll be able to see all the labs and all the academy stuff. They have great resource. So today we are going to look into cross-site request forgery, see what this vulnerability is all about, and perhaps solve a lab that touches on cross-site request forgery. So cross-site request forgery, or CSRF, is a web vulnerability that allows an attacker to induce users to perform actions that they do not intend to perform. So an attacker, while doing his bug bounty hunting or hunting for bugs, he finds that a website is vulnerable to cross-site request forgery. This could be a feature like the change email feature, or transfer some funds, or update your password. And if this request or this feature is not protected for CSRF, an attacker is able to send a victim maybe an email and trick the user or the victim to click on a link that now ends up affecting the victim on the website, since the website is able to perform the normal actions, sending the cookies as a normal request. So impact, we have explained some impact, like changing the email on their account or their password, or make funds transfer. So you as a victim, you'll be doing this unknowingly. Since the feature is there, you click on the feature, and since you are logged in on the website, or the browser will take your request as a normal request and will perform this action on your behalf. So how does CSRF work? So there are three key conditions that must be in place for a CSRF. There must be a relevant action. We did see that. There must be a feature that the attacker must exploit. Then the website must be cookie based session handling. We know websites or the browser will automatically fill the cookies automatically if you are logged in a website and open another tab. The browser will automatically, let me showcase this. Since I'm currently logged in at Podswigger, if I'm to open another tab, I will not need to log in. The browser will send the cookies since I'm already logged in. So an attacker will send you an URL that is forged, maybe to update a password, maybe to update your account, or to change your password or email, and you'll click on it. And since you're logged in, the website will accept the request, since the cookies will be sent together with your request. And the third condition is no unpredictable request parameters. The parameters that will be passed in case an email, there should be no other required parameters that will make the request fail. So those are three major conditions for a CSRF. When you're looking for a CSRF, you must be having a feature that you want to exploit. The website must be using cookie based, and no unpredictable parameters. So with that knowledge, we can go ahead and see our basic lab, our first lab, CSRF vulnerability with no defense. So to defend these attacks, websites are equipped with what we call tokens, CSRF tokens, that are sent together with the request, and these tokens are verified in the backend to verify that this request actually came from the intended tab or the intended user in action. So in this case, there is no defense for CSRF, which is pretty easy to exploit. So let's see how to do this. We'll be starting our lab. As we read the lab's details, this lab email change functionality is vulnerable to CSRF. To solve the lab, craft some HTML that uses a CSRF attack to change the viewer's email address and upload it to your exploit server. And we have some login credentials here, and we have a hint. You cannot register an email address that is already taken by another user. Yeah. So let's jump into our lab. I'll copy this and open it in our Bab Suite browser.